In this video, we're going to take a look at this rolling light stand by Ambitful. This is a great compact light stand that offers you a very low shooting range with a maximum height of 36 inches at the lowest all the way up to 57 inches. What's kind of nice about this is you can actually remove the baby pin from the top and then you can put it directly on the base as well. And then the stand has a height of about 11 inches. So I really like using this stand for shooting with lights that are pointing at a background, or if I need a low angle light instead of using a larger light stand. Now Ambitful did send me this light stand for purposes of making this review, but they have no say in the content of this video. All the thoughts in this are my own. The base quality is very high. I do feel like the stand itself could be a little bit sturdier, but I only have issues if I raise it all the way up. So if you use this at a lower height, it's going to feel a little bit more sturdy. There's a ton of versatility built into this light because you can remove the spigot, you can put it directly in the base, you can put it on top of the stand, or it also can go on the side of the stand at a 90-degree angle. Depending on the accessories that you want to use, you'll want to change up the way you're using it. You get 3 casters, and they all have brakes on them as well. The spread of the base is about 15.75 inches in diameter, so this has a really small footprint on this light stand. I feel like this light stand is best to use to light a backdrop or to use it as a backlight stand for yourself if you're shooting some sort of talking head setup. This is just going to be a way to elevate your light off the ground a little bit to give you a little bit more adjustability in terms of the height and the angle of the light as well. So I would recommend this for smaller lights or for backdrop lights. This is very easy to assemble. All you have to do is thread the wheels on. This is super portable because the whole base folds up and you can easily remove the center column. Also, you get 1/4, 20, and 3/8 inch threads on the baby pins. So depending on what type of receiver you have or camera gear, you're going to be able to mount a variety of different things directly into the baby pin. I would say this light stand doesn't get tall enough to use as a key light stand, but it's going to be great for fill light, backlighting, or if you're using a low angle tabletop setup and you want to light that. So overall, I really like this light stand. Just make sure you know that it is shorter, coming in at just 36 to 57 inches, or if you use just the base, it's 11 inches. So this is going to be a great low profile stand. Very lightweight, very compact. Just make sure that you know the way you're going to use it. If you're interested in buying this light stand, I do have links in the description below. If you have any other questions about it, leave a comment down below. I'll do my best to answer them.